Unlock your visual storytelling with the Canon EOS R10, a camera designed to empower creators from novice to enthusiast. First, let's get acquainted with its core. The mode dial on the top right is your command center. Turn it to auto for effortless shooting, or delve into program, aperture priority, shutter priority, and manual modes as your skills grow. Next, master your immediate controls. Press the shutter button halfway down to focus, then fully to capture. Use the multi-controller joystick on the back for quick navigation, and remember to explore the customizable buttons that can be assigned to your must-used functions. Now, let's dive into the menu system. Press the menu button on the back of the camera here. You'll configure everything from image quality, autofocus modes, and video settings to white balance and exposure compensation. Spend some time exploring each tab. It's the heart of your camera's customization. Practice the fundamentals: focusing, exposure, and white balance. To focus, simply point and half press the shutter. Adjust exposure by changing aperture, shutter speed, or ISO, which you can access through the quick menu or directly with the dials in manual modes. For white balance, navigate through the menu to match your lighting conditions for accurate colors. Regular practice builds confidence. Experiment with different settings in various lighting scenarios. The R10 truly shines, offering a remarkable blend of advanced features and user-friendly design, making it the perfect companion for both budding photographers and seasoned enthusiasts.